All right, Art 345. These are your instructions for using the template, HTML template, and also for level 3. So here we go. When you get to HTML Essential Training by Jen Simmons, to pass level 3, this is what you need to do. Go to the course, and you'll see a whole table of contents. I want you to start at the beginning, introduction, watch the video. What is HTML?
HTML is all around us.
Okay, after that, go to first chapter and please watch
The web is made out of
the role of HTML. Okay? After you've watched that, we're going to move on to formatting text. And the very first section is the syntax of HTML elements. This is a really important. It already jumps into some really important language-based things. So I want you to watch this video and take note about particular things. Elements and nesting, those are the two most important things that are talked about in this chapter. So to pass level 3, all you're doing is watching these to this point, to the syntax of HTML elements. Don't worry about this stuff yet. First pass this level. Okay, so to pass the level, you will want to open up your, this is my sample folder. You each have one of these at this point, and you're gonna take your index template, and you're gonna open it in brackets. Okay, so brackets is what we're gonna be using to create our pages and send them back and forth to each other. So here is what your sample practice template should look like. Okay, so first thing you're going to want to do is retitle the page to the level that you're passing. So I'm going to retitle this to level 3. Simple. Secondly, delete the text that's not needed, but only the stuff between the body. This is the body. You've got an opening tag and a closing tag. Everything inside of here is what's actually seen when published to the web browser. All of this is what's kind of like metadata. It's stuff that doesn't get visibly seen but is important. So only the stuff within the body is what you're changing. So you've got a different paragraph in there, but anyway, you're going to delete that. And what I want you to do is define an element. So an element is, and then define it, okay? In the second paragraph, you're going to define what nesting is. Nesting is, and so forth, okay? I can delete these because I've already done them. Next thing we're going to do is save as a new file with the level and the title, drop it in to your Art 345 folder, compress it, and send it to me. Okay, so now, this is important. Here I'm going to do is I'm going to save this as index. It's no longer my template, it's now level 3. And that's in my folder, save. Now if I want to test this at any time, you hit this little lightning bolt up here. Once you've saved your template, or your index, sorry, your HTML index, which in this case is our level 3. Once you've saved it, or as you're working on things, you hit this lightning bolt, and whammo, it's going to show you in your Chrome browser that you've downloaded what your page looks like if it were published on the web. So here I've got your template. Always keep a copy of this page. Element is, definition of nesting, it's all there. So as you can see, if I were to change this to my name, and I wanted to say something like Go Giants, because I like baseball and I miss baseball. And I save this, Command S, go to my lightning bolt. I'm going to see that now things are changing, okay? So once I've saved this, it should be in my folder, index level 3, in my folder, there it is. I'm going to compress this, and now I can email it to this guy named Lee who's teaching this class, and I can say level 3. Always put the level in the subject, that way I can keep track. There's 20, 21, 22 of us here. And now I'm gonna say, hi Lee, da 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 da, Lee, whatever. And then I'm going to attach my newly compressed file and send. Okay, so there you go. That is how you pass level 3. A lot of information there, but it's important to get all this now while we get started. As we move along through the levels, the content of these videos and the information is going to be a lot less, but we got to get the routine going. Okay, good luck. Let me know if you have questions. Bye.